What's up, guys? Quick video today. Lately I've been having an issue with my truck. I've been getting a check engine light. It's a P0440 evap leak. I debated on just taking it to a shop and having them smoke test it for me, and I really didn't want to do that. I don't want to pay a ton of money to do this. I wanted to try and figure it out myself. And I also didn't want to spend a ton of money on a smoke tester. I was looking at the ones where you can hook up your own compressor too. I didn't really like them. And the other day I was scrolling through Amazon and I came across this Hypersmoke, AutoLine Pro Hypersmoke. This thing goes for $49.99, and I thought that was a killer deal. I know AutoLine makes some really good products. I've seen other reviews on their stuff, but yeah, let me show you guys. You guys can see how small this is. It's super compact. Comes with a 4-foot hose, 4.5-foot power cord, a chain to hang it under your hood. I paid $5 more and I got the one with the cone in case I ever want to test exhaust leaks. It came with 2 packets of the smoke fluid. It came with a little level gauge or a dipstick where you can put it in there. Just so you guys know, this doesn't take a full packet. It takes about 3/4 of a packet, so make sure you don't overfill it. If for some reason you do overfill it, they gave you a little pipette where you can extract some out of there. Here's the cap that usually goes here when you don't have the hose on. It came with a nice set of instructions. And I mean, I've already tested this out on my truck. We're gonna go over there. I'm gonna hook it up. I'm gonna show you guys how it works. And I'm really impressed with it. It's got the built-in air pump. It's got 2 settings on here, one for evap, 0 to 1 PSI. It has a normal that's 0 to 7 PSI, or 1 to 7 PSI, sorry. They actually also sent me a free pack of smoke fluid, so I actually got three packs when I ordered this. It says it has 4 hours of runtime. I'm not sure how fast it goes through that fluid, but yeah, let me put this over on the truck. I'll come back, I'll grab the phone, and we'll test the system, and I'll show you guys how fast this works. All right, guys, so you can see I got it hanging from the truck here. So first thing we'll do is we'll hook up the power. And what's cool is this thing almost immediately, if I can get it to focus, almost immediately starts smoking. I don't know why it won't focus here. But I ended up buying this connector they have here. It goes right into the evac system test port. It comes with a little valve stem extractor there, and that was extra $20 to get this. If you guys do get this, just remember that it's backwards thread, so you need to tighten to get the valve stem out of there. So I'll plug this in. As you can see, I have my scan tool already set up here. I want to turn my tank pressure bypass valve off. I also have it pinched off with a pair of pliers down there. That's why the pressure is already building. But I just want to double check, so I'm going to turn that off as well. So we'll climb under the truck here. I'll show you that I already have it pinched off. So you can see I got the bypass line there pinched off with some pliers. I wasn't seeing any smoke up here anywhere. So coming out, it's obviously very clearly smoking out of here. So the first thing I ever did when I first got this code was I did buy a new fuel cap. There's the old one right here. If you do this, make sure you get an OEM cap. The new the ones off Amazon and stuff, they might actually leak even though it's a new cap. So I knew it wasn't the cap, and it's the I ended up finding out that it's the filler neck in here. You can see all the smoke coming out of it. So I think I saved myself a lot of money by just buying this this smoke detector by my instead of just taking it to a shop and have them testing it. And I'll be able to use this for a long time. I bought a 2-year warranty on it, so I'm not really worried about it. But for a very compact smoke tester for a DIY person, I think that this is a great one, and I'm going to use it for a while. Hopefully some other people have some issues with their cars. It's horrible to say, but at least I'll be able to test it out, and I'll let you guys know in the future how it's holding up. Thanks for watching.